Welcome back to my channel. This is Akib Zama, your English speaking coach, and today I'm going to tell you something very interesting, that is, don't say goodbye. There are so many words instead of goodbye you can say, which are very much common. You know why? When you say goodbye, sometimes it becomes very much implied to listen or understand. So you can say the alternative of bye. The first is you can say bye bye. Instead of saying only bye, you can say bye bye, and you can say see you later. See you later. When you are ending up the meeting, instead of saying bye, you can say see you later, or you can say see you soon. You see you soon. This means also the same. Instead of bye, you can say suppose I am going home tonight. I am going home now. By the way, see you soon. And next is which is very much common. We say see ya. See ya. SEEZYA. See ya. And another phrase which you can use instead of saying bye, you can say I am heading off. Okay, friends, I am heading off. Bye bye. So in this way you can have a different types of phrases which can be used instead of saying bye. And another phrase is that is I am off. I am off. You don't need to say bye. You can say I am off. It means you have almost gone. You have almost gone. And another you can choose that I'm gonna make a move. Well, friends, the party is over and I am gonna make a move. Means I am going to make a move. Means you are going from there. It means you are saying indirectly bye bye. Next, you can use have a good one. Yes, next you can see have a good one. Have a good one means also that you are saying bye bye. Means you are ending up the meeting and you are going from that place. And next, which is very common, if you are somebody is going for a journey and you are just saying bye, so instead of saying bye bye, you can say have a safe and sound journey, or you can say drive safe. Drive safe, which is very much common in America. Drive safe. You can also say that nice seeing you, nice seeing you, or nice meeting you. This is also the another way to say bye. You can also say tata, which is very British, which is a very old fashioned also. People still use that tata, bye bye. Okay, next you can say that I have got take off. I have got a take off. I have got a take off means you need to go right now. At that time you need to go. Or suppose you are in very much hurry and you want to move from that place, so you can say I must be going. I must be going. I must be going. So bye bye everyone. Or if you are just suddenly got a call and you are talking to someone and you have to say bye because you have to disconnect the meeting, you can say talk to you later. Talk to you later means मैं आपसे बाद में बात करता हूँ. Talk to you later. Or in the day you are meeting with someone, or when you are finishing the meeting, suppose the interview or the meeting, the casual or formal informal meeting, so you can, when leaving and departing part, don't say bye bye, you can say have a great day. Have a great day. Or also you can use the another phrase which is have a lovely day. Have a lovely day. And next which you can see that it was nice to see you. It was nice to see you. It was nice to see you. It also refers that you are just finishing the talk and you want to move from that place. You can say it was nice to see you. Or there is a one and another expression you can give that take care, which is very much common on WhatsApp. You just finish the talk, you say take care means bye bye. And you can also use the another expression which is very much interesting, and it is very much spoken, that I am going to make a move. I have told you. This is also very interesting. And next you can say that I have got to get going. I have got to get going. This is also an American phrase which is very much in use, that I have got to get going. I'm getting late, my friend, I have got to get going. And you can say a slang words which is TARA, tra, like tra, hi, tra, or you can say stay in touch. Another is stay in touch. Stay in touch, it means that you are finishing the talk and you are just departing from the person, and you are just, if you are having any problem to understand this, I will write in the description all the slangs, all the phrases there, so that you can get it easily and write it down on your notebook. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye. Not bye bye, it is ra. Take care.